Hey everybody, and thanks for tuning in. My name's Joel Tucker, and I'm coming to you from Veurink RV Center in Grand Rapids, Michigan, where we've been working with folks for 64 plus years, bringing them great RVs. Today, I'm showing you a great new spree by KZ RV. It's a 343 RSK, which is a rear living, triple slide travel trailer with an outdoor kitchen. Great new floor plan, you'll love it. Sit tight and let's take a look. All right, here's the outside of this gorgeous spree. But first off, I do want to mention that with any new purchase, we will provide you free of charge 2 propane tanks full with propane cover, 12-volt battery with cover as well, sewer hose, power cord, and a free orientation. That's just something we do for our customers to let you know that we care about you. Also, on the spree, you get a gorgeous front cap that's partially painted and with protection on the front, a nice coating that will allow you to not have it chipped by rock debris. Moving down and around, we give you a ToyLok in the front tongue as well as a power front tongue jack for easier hooking and unhooking. You also provide with power jacks on all 4 corners as well. Power awning with a smart arm feature, which allows you to actually run the awning in and out right here at the base of your awning. Also controls your lights as well. As you can tell, we have this equipped with nice, gorgeous frameless windows. Allows us a nice sleeker look. You won't have the black streaks, and if it is raining, you can make sure that it's opened up for extra air breeze. Moving down, we do have your aluminum steps with large assisted grab handle. You have outside speakers for extra tunes while you're out camping and have a great time. And my favorite part of any camper is your outdoor kitchen. Now I know when I'm RVing, I'm gonna be outside a lot. So with this feature, it allows you to stay outside versus going inside. You have your large refrigerator for all your condiments, beverages, and goodies. You have your plumbed sink with faucet. You have your 2-burner cooktop that pulls out just like this. Cook up some fish or some pasta, some eggs in the morning, and bacon, of course. Storage here with a nice net cupboard here. And your drawer here. So plenty of storage, plenty of use you will get out of the outdoor kitchen on this spree. Now moving back and around, you'll also notice we do equip this spree with a storage rack. So if you have the extra totes, extra coolers, want to bring some firewood along with you, you can put it right here on your exterior storage rack with spare tire too. Up above, you'll see that we do have this prepped for a backup camera. Makes it easier if you're at a tight campground, trees all around, helps you, get into a nice tight fit as well. Around the other side, we'll have this equipped with all your dump stations as well, with an outside shower. Black tank flush, so you can clean out your black tank, easy use there. And this is a 50 amp service, so you can also have it, if you want to add on a secondary AC, you can do so as well. Overall, the inside outside of the spree is gorgeous, a lot of amenities. Again, it's great for full-time use, seasonal use, or if you just want to travel from campground to campground, you can do so with a spree. My name is Joel Tucker. Give me a phone call at 616-965-9623. All right, now we're gonna check out the awesome interior in this brand new spree against a 343 RSK. This has 3 slides, huge living space, nice bedroom area with extra slide back there. You're gonna love it. Now, what we're looking at right now is the rear of this spree with a nice big back windows on the sides, and they do all open up for extra airflow. And right behind me is a nice sized bed as well as a sofa. So basically you can sit down, relax, watch some television, or at nighttime with extra guests, they can sit down, lay down actually, and have a great night's sleep on this memory foam sleeper sofa right here. Both sides do have end tables on both sides with outlets for charging your cell phones, lamps, things like that. Across from your entertainment wall will be your theater seats with cup holders and a storage area as well. And these are actually nice sized, oversized plush theater seats. Of course, you can sit back, lay back, relax right in front of your 39-inch Veurink TV. So as we view right across here, we do have a ton of storage along with your television, your DVD player, CD player, radio, Bluetooth, and all that good stuff, and your 5,000 BTU Veurink fireplace as well. Nice ambiance as well as heat. Again, with the storage around here, you do have nice deep storage shelves for DVDs, goodies, whatever you want to store back there. You have plenty of room to do so. And this TV is on a swing mount as well, so you can view it from the sofa or from the kitchen. Speaking of the kitchen, let's go look at that as well, as you do have a gorgeous kitchen with the solid surface white countertops. Gives a nice bright clean look in your kitchen area.